What if I tell you that everything you are seeing on my back is not real? Yes, they are not real. Even this TV is not real as well. Well, let me show you the actual place where I am shooting this video, and even this my color is not real as well, the quality of this video. Let me show you how everything looks like. So this is where I am shooting this video, and I'm even using natural lights, but you can see how I transform everything, change the background, increase the quality of the video. Let me turn it back. So you can achieve the same result as well, which I'm going to show you how to do that. So this particular video will help you if you don't have money for Capcut Pro, or you don't have money to use Adobe. Well, you can use Inshot AI to achieve all these things, which I'm going to show you how to do everything from scratch. This video will also help you if you don't have money to get a good background or gadgets to improve your video quality. Don't worry, this is just like a guide to help you to do everything. Or if you're that person who is recording some videos and there's some little background noise, something like that, I'm going to also show you how to denoise that background sound. So my name is Louis Chico, and I create videos based on the question you drop in comment section. So if you are still confused in all these things, maybe how to make money in the online space or how to become a successful content creator, drop your question in comment section and I will create video and answer you that question. Also make sure you join our Telegram community where we give you guide on how to do all these things for free, even edit videos so well. So to get these results, all you need to do is download Inshot. But if you have Inshot already on your phone, then let's proceed. Let me show you how to achieve that amazing result. Move over to your Inshot and open the app. So immediately it opens, it will appear like this. You can see new, then you choose that video that you want to upload or change the background. But please, before you start this journey, make sure you have downloaded that particular background you want to use on your videos. For instance, me, I have so many backgrounds as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose the video that I want to use. Let me choose this one, then click this plus sign. So you can see the background of this particular video, and for me to change this background, all I'm going to do, I'm going to go to cut out. So I'm going to scroll to my right and select cut out, then click cut out again. So you can see it is loading 10%. So this cut out is going to load till 100%, so you have to wait. Then if it reach 100%, they are going to remove the background of that particular video, the original background. Then if they now remove it, you will add your own background, the background that you love, the one that you downloaded. So if you check well, it's still on 13th. Let's wait till it reach 100%. And it's 99 now, and you can see it's about to finish. You can see if you finish now, you will see cutout completed 100% already. Then you can see cut out completed. You can see it by yourself there. So for you now to add that background you downloaded, you click good, then you go back, you go and choose background. You can see it there. You click background, then click photo. That's to choose the one, to choose it from your gallery. All you need to do is go to that place where the background is. Like for instance, my own is on download. Then I'm going to go to download because I downloaded the background. Then I'll go to download and choose that background. So let me choose it. So this is it, and you can see how it looks like. You're going to increase it with your two hands. You can also drag it to any side you want, but for me, I like it to be in middle. You can also change the background as well. For instance, if you want the background to appear well, you click this first one, also drag yourself. You can see how it looks like, and if you finish, you click good. Then let's watch the amazing caption. You can see how it looks like. Let me play it again. And click subscribe, then let's proceed. You can see how the background looks like. It's so amazing, and it's simple as well. And if you want to now increase or denoise the video, you have to go to volume. Then you can see by your left hand side, you will see denoise. Then you click that denoise, then click the good sign. you have already denoised the video, so no more background sound and no more all this sound. They have been denoised, nothing like that again. Then if you want to increase the quality or the effect of the video, you go to effect. Remember, I'm still using Inshot. This is not paid version. Okay, you don't need money to do all these things. Maybe Capcut needs money, you can use these ones for free anytime you like. Then for you to increase the quality of the video, you go to effect. So if you go to effect, then you click filter, you click the filter, then you click adjust. If you click the adjust, you scroll down, you can see many things, anyone you love at all. But for me, I like to use saturation because it increases the quality of the video so neat. Then you click that saturation, then you drag it to your right hand side. You can see how the quality is changing. If I drag it to my left hand side now, you can see how it looks like. But if I drag it to my right hand side, you can see how it looks like. It looks more neat and quality. So this is how to do it. After doing all these things, you now click this good, click good again. Then you can now export your video by clicking this export above here. It's so simple. So this is how you can change your background, this is how you can denoise your video, and this is also how you can increase the quality of your video as well. So if you find this video helpful or you don't really understand one or two things, share your thoughts or ask your question in comment section. If you care to know about 24 side hustle that you will take so serious this 2025 and beyond, click this particular video. You will see all these things. But if you miss that, check the video description as well. I also paste the link. But if you want to learn or have more insight on video editing, check the video description. You will see everything there. Click subscribe for more videos like this.